Hi guys, I'm Edwin from infoseeka. I'm here today to show you how to create a bootable USB flash memory drive. This bootable USB drive can be used later to install Microsoft Windows onto your computer. Easy. Let's start. First of all, we have to make sure that we have connected the USB drive into your computer. In order to make a bootable USB drive, we are going to use a small program called DISKPART. DISKPART is a small program which exists in another program called command prompt. Command prompt is the command console of Windows operating system, and you can run commands by writing them down and press enter. Go to the search area, search for CMD, and command prompt shows up. Right click on it, run as administrator so that you have full permission to run any command. At the command prompt, write down DISKPART and enter. It takes It takes a few seconds until DISKPART shows up. Now we can run our commands so that we can create the bootable disk drive. Line by line, and then press enter. First, the command is list disk. This lists your disks which are connected to your computer. Just make sure that you choose the right disk, otherwise you're going to run into problems. So my USB drive here is disk 1. So I run select disk 1, and now it's selected. Then clean, and it's going to clean the disk. It's not formatting yet, it's just cleaning. Then create partition primary, not directory. Create partition primary so that it creates a new primary partition for us into the disk. Now that we have created the partition, we are going to use to select it so that the next command will use that partition. Select partition 1 and then make it active. Now we are going to format this new active partition into NTFS file system. Format FS for file system NTFS. And in order to make this process fast, we write down quick. If you don't write down quick, then it takes much longer, depending on the size of your disk. Enter, and it takes a few seconds before it's finished. If you don't write down quick, it takes like 10 minutes maybe. Completed. Now that we have formatted our USB drive successfully, we're going to assign it so that we can use it as a bootable disk. Just write down assign and enter. Well, my keyboard is not writing yet now. So now we have done all the steps here to make the bootable disk, and we're going to exit the DISKPART and then close the command prompt window. Now our bootable USB disk is ready. Here, it's completely bootable. The next step is to copy all the files that we have on our Microsoft Windows DVD into this bootable USB drive. So if you double click on your DVD, it just runs it. So we have to right click on it and click on open so that we have access to all the files. Control A to select all the files and then just drag into the USB drive. So Control A, all the files selected, and drag everything into the USB drive and release. The process of copying is going to take a long time. Well, by a long time I mean between 5 to 10 or 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the version of your USB disk and the version of your USB port on your computer. So we have to be patient here until it's finished. Now the process of copying all the files into the disk is completed. We have created our bootable USB flash memory drive successfully, and you can start reboot your computer and choose to boot into the USB drive. Once you've done it, it will start the installation process of your Microsoft Windows operating system from the USB drive. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like the video. I will see you on my next video, and have a good day until then.